Om Shanti. In today's Murli, that is 30th May 2020, starting with the blessing where Shiv Baba says, may you be worshipped by the world by being elevated out of all souls, by knowing your own greatness and your own praise. Shiv Baba said that at present every Brahman child is praised above all souls of the world, and in the future they will be worshipped by the world. Even though all are number wise, even the last number bead is great in front of the world. Even now Baba says devotee souls, they place the last bead of a rosary on their eyes because all of you children are the stars of Bab Dada's eyes. Shiv Baba is making us realize the importance of this Brahman life, that how important this very life is, where Shiv Baba is making all of us into an elevated soul. He is giving us a very golden opportunity of transforming ourselves from the absolutely degraded form to the 100% real, pure and original form. Shiv Baba said that your situation, your stage should be absolutely and constantly filled with all the treasures, and then we can say the situations will change. Shiv Baba says if your mind, if your heart is absolutely contented, if it is full of contentment, and if you're filled with all treasures, the knowledge that Shiv Baba is delivering in every day's Murli, then the situations will change for you, because if the mindset is changing, then the way of looking at that particular situation will change, and therefore the impact that we experience because of any certain situation is bound to change. Shiv Baba said in today's Murli that it's important for you children to keep points of knowledge in your awareness. One thing is reading and listening to Murli, and one thing is keeping the Murli in awareness. So Shiv Baba is asking we children to keep the points in awareness and thereby maintaining a good register or a good record, where Shiv Baba says that you should pay 100% attention in order to keep your registers intact and right. Shiv Baba has motivated the Kumaris today that if you have that kind of strength of appealing and standing on your point of purity, that I have totally become a Raj Yogini, and so this is my right to be pure and nobody can distract me from my decision of remaining pure. But Shiv Baba says for that you need to be a conqueror of attachment, which is to be Nashto Moha. An absolute detached state is required to say such absolute and pure real words. Shiv Baba says that we all are standing at the gateway to heaven. So we need to put 100% effort so that we get the ticket to Satyug, and that is to be a soul who is the emperor or empress of this entire world, or at least the one who's part of that world which is full of purity, happiness, prosperity and every great thing that we can think of. Shiv Baba says that do not cause sorrow to either of the souls through your mind, words or actions. And when it comes to mind, words and actions, so even my mind, if I'm disturbing my mind by not performing some karma on time or by ignoring some sort of work, so that is again a negative impact or a negative result on my own self. So this has to be made very clear that my mind or my words or my actions are not affected by my own belief systems or my actions, and we also should not cause sorrow to anybody through our thoughts, words or act. Shiv Baba also said in today's Murli that you belong to the highest on high Father, so you should constantly remember the Father. Shiv Baba said that there is yoga of barristry, yoga of engineering, that is the study of engineering and barristry, and similarly this is the study of Raj Yoga, where this is important to keep in the mind that after passing with honor in this university, Baba is going to put a crown on my head, just like doctors receive stethoscope, engineers receive that yellow sort of cap when they are civil engineers, lawyers receive that black coat, etc. Similarly, Shiv Baba is going to put the crown of purity and the crown of this world after passing with honor from Baba's university. Shiv Baba said that your nature should be very first class so that you attain the liberation in life and liberation from life, both of the things simultaneously. Shiv Baba also said that the world will definitely receive liberation from life, but only you children will get the opportunity to get into the liberation in life. That is, whilst performing all sort of karma, the state of mind is going to be just as calm and peaceful as we have it in Shantidham. Shiv Baba said that in Shantidham there is just peace, whereas in Muktidham, whereas in, you can say, Satyug, the heaven, the golden age, there will be happiness, peace and prosperity, and the perfect combination of peace and happiness that will belong to every resident of Satyug. Om Shanti.